today's class 10th ICSE. This video will be covering all the subjects. So let's get started with some general tips. These are the same for all the subjects. Make short notes, solve PYQs, use what works for you and improvise. Use mind maps, read through textbook and workbook. This advice is very helpful. So next, subject-wise strategy. For physics, read like you're reading a research paper, frantically searching for more and more. Numericals will become a lot easier. Fixed calculations, unit conversion, and exponents. These usually result in loss of a lot of marks. Numericals and applications are much important than memorizing. Chemistry. Learn reactions, learn and memorize colors and stuff. Analytical chemistry chapter, write and practice multiple times. Recall, write. Follow this cycle. In maths, the only way is to do a lot of practice. Understand when and how, what formula is used to use the concept in application based questions. Practice, and practice. In biology, treat textbook like a fact book. It just gives you free marks. Focus on functions of glands, locations, diagrams with labeling, and more stuff like this. These are a major portion of the question paper. And draw and practice. This will help you memorize diagrams. In English, grammar, learn the formats, practice by solving questions, and also read a lot. It helps build vocab. Solve workbook test papers for practice. Learn preposition and grammar from Sudhir sir's videos on YouTube. Literature for the prose, poem, and Julius Caesar. Focus on keywords, sequence, reasoning, and logical type questions. For poems, memorize poems by heart, have a deep understanding, know every meaning of all the words. Stories. Read the textbook and workbook thoroughly. Solve workbook questions. Julius Caesar. Memorize important lines and quotes. Read the textbook multiple times. Know meaning of every word and context. Learn from Study with Sudhir YouTube channel. This channel's detailed explanations are literally the best. Do not go for the summary ones. First, go and watch these detailed ones and then maybe watch some other summary ones for quick revision sort of thing. In Hindi literature, memorize the summary points. This was actually suggested by a senior to me and I tried it and this helped me a lot. Read the textbook and workbook thoroughly, do question practice, go through workbook questions. Grammar. Read newspapers and words will start flowing in your mind. Practice letters, essays, and passages. Prepare essays on topics like child labor, technology, AI, social media, advertisements, war, importance of physical activity, and more topics like this. These type of topics are more likely to come in your exams. In computer, learn from Amplify Learning and ICSE Wallah. These are the best channels for learning computer and practice a lot of questions. In SST, history, read the textbook thoroughly while learning chapters, summarize every paragraph, use mind maps for notes, prepare causes, effects, what is, dash, movement, objects, advantages, disadvantages, dates, and such type of questions. These type of questions are majorly asked in your boards and do a lot of PYQs. Civics, understand the concept, do learn the qualifications, terms, strengths, and type of questions. Do PYQs. Geography, read textbook thoroughly, keep practicing topo and maps. These are free marks, honestly. Resources. Here is a list of YouTube channels that I would suggest. These would be also linked in the description, so go check it out later. Books, chapter wise, question bank, and PYQ book. These resources are linked in the description. Go check it out later after this video. Also, as a bonus, I have made a Google Drive containing some notes and other stuff which I think can help you in some way. And I will be also writing blogs on techniques, tips, and such other stuff. If you're interested, you can check it out in the description. And all the best for your boards.